In the next few moments, we're going to review a few of the capabilities around user and group management provided by MetaMiner. The first question we'll ask is, who's actively logged onto my system, and how many sessions exist? Now when we go to MetaMiner client, we log on to our MetaMiner server, and once we do that, we can see that we have a few active CMSs connected to our system. One is a BI41 installation, we have a BI 4.0 installation, and an XI3.1 Service Pack 6. When we click on Apply, we now navigate to Users and Groups. Then we click on the Users filter group, and then select Show Active Users and Sessions. When we do that, you can see here all of the currently active users and the number of sessions that they're using. Our next question, how can I terminate existing sessions? Again, we can go to any of these highlighted rows, right-click, and go to Kill Sessions, select the session or all of the sessions, and then terminate that session. And now you can see that it went from 1 to 0. Our next question is, what groups do one or more users belong to? Going back to our tab, now I can use the option of free text search. I type in a username, and when I do that, you'll notice that my entire user group tree filters down to just that string. When I do that, you can notice very clearly in BI41, AB Syed is only part of 3 groups, whereas in BI4 they're part of a few more. This might signal to me that there was an incomplete or corrupt migration or promotion between the same or different versions of business objects. I can now go ahead and address that concern and look specifically at these groups in the other environment. Are my users and groups aligned correctly across my environments? Or what about my versions? Similar to the previous workflow, this time I can go ahead and select user groups. And now if I want to go ahead and, for example, type in one of my user groups global operations, I do so, and I noticed immediately that we only have this group under one of my CMSs. So immediately I understand that this user group probably needs to be part of the BI41 installation, and now we can go to one of our promotional migration analysts to make sure that that happens.